Hello everybody, my name is Matt Wolverine and welcome back to another unboxing video. And today I'm going to unbox Bird of Prey and the Harley Quinn, because I'm not going to say the other one because it's too long, and the Wonder Woman 1984, which recently came out on DVD 2 days ago. So without further ado, let's open Bird of Prey. Well, because it came out first before Wonder Woman, which is a few months ago, so I didn't get it. Alright, here's a cover. Here's our Harley Quinn, played by Margaret Robbie, who played brilliantly as Harley Quinn. And the other characters, here's Bird of Prey, here's a Huntress, Black Canary, and the kid, Harley Patet, and the cop. Here's a spine, Bird of Prey, and Harley Quinn. Obviously, it's rated P15. Here's a back. It's rated for 4 stars from the Sun, 4 stars from Total Film, 4 stars from Timer, and 4 stars in Daily Mirror. And the special feature is Birds of Prey, Birds of the Feather, how the birds came to life. And it's 104 minutes long. And it's rated 15 for strong violence, injury, detail, language, and sexual threat. And here's a DVD in a cheap case. Right, I have seen this movie when it first came out in cinema last year, I believe. Yeah, last year. And I really enjoyed this movie. It's actually funny, and because Harley Quinn is like a fourth wall like Deadpool did. So it's basically like Deadpool, but except it's Harley Quinn movie. But it felt like Harley Quinn movie, and Bird of Prey barely in the movie, and also Ewan McGregor is brilliant as a villain. He's perfect as a villain in this movie, as a Black Max. So let me know if you like this movie. Let me know in the comments below. Right then, up to the next unboxing, which is Wonder Woman 1984. Right, here are the cover. It says Wonder Woman 1984. Here are Wonder Woman, played by Gal Gadot, in its very nice cover, in its gold suit and wings. And it's rated 12. It's rated 5 stars from Metro. Here's a spine, Wonder Woman 1984, age 12. Here's a back. Here are Wonder Woman fighting with Cheetah. And here's Wonder Woman. Here's Diana and Steve Trevor and Cheetah again. And it's 145 minutes long, same runtime as Batman v Superman. And it's rated 12 for moderate threat, violence, and scene of domestic abuse. And here's a teaser for Suicide Squad, a game, and Gotham Knights, and the Batman, and the Suicide Squad came out. Well, the Suicide Squad came out this year, and then the Batman came out next year. So I will look forward to that. And here's a DVD, once again in cheap case, because they don't probably run out of normal cases. Right, I have seen this movie around, well, I've seen it in Christmas, I've seen it on Christmas Day online, and it's a good movie, but not as good as the first one, and I do enjoy it, and the action is very good, and the how they brought back Steve, which is it's so, which is I don't know how to explain it. They use someone's body, so to look like Steve. I'm guessing. Yeah. So let me know in the comments below if you like this movie. So yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. My name is Matt Wolverine, and I see you guys in the next video.